Hi, it's Jimmy from PHTPlus. We recently posted an article called 5 Signs Your ERP is Holding Your Finishing Business Back. And in this series, we are taking a closer look at each warning sign. So today's warning sign is scheduling feels like guesswork. Many finishers struggle because the ERP doesn't provide real-time visibility into capacity, workload, bottlenecks, or even job status. And as a result, scheduling can become a guessing game. So, if your scheduling process feels more like an educated guess than strategic planning, your ERP may be part of the problem. PHTPlus provides real-time visibility into production, workload, capacity, and your job status, helping finishing operations improve planning, reduce bottlenecks, and make more informed scheduled decisions. This is just one of our 5 warning signs. Read our full article at PHTPlus.com, and if you'd like to discuss your operation, schedule a discovery call with our team. Please stay tuned for our next warning sign.